This video will show you how to replace the hot water outlet fitting on your Whale Rapid Heat 8-litre water heater. Before you start working, please ensure you have isolated the 230-volt supply. Within the kit provided, there is a brass fitting and an elbow fitting. Step 1. First, remove the braided hose. Once the braided hose has been removed, then unscrew the two posi screws in order to remove the blue front cover as shown in the video. Step 2. Use a 24mm spanner to remove the existing fitting. If a portion of the existing fitting remains within the threads, use a flathead screwdriver to gently prise out as shown. Step 3. Thread on the replacement brass fitting and finger tighten. Step 4. Once finger tightened, add 1/4 turn with a 22mm spanner or socket. Step 5. Replace the blue cover on the front of the water heater, being careful not to over tighten the two securing screws. Step 6. Fully push in the braided hose to either side of the elbow fitting. Step 7. Fully push the elbow fitting into the brass component to complete replacement.